Hi, I'm Dr. Asha T, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, BIT. I would like to say a few lines about the department. In the entire Karnataka state, BIT was a pioneer in establishing computer science and engineering in the year 1981. Almost 34 batch of students have passed out and have settled in various top software industries abroad. And for all eligible candidates, we do have 100% placement with the current highest pay package of about 20 lakhs. The department also provides excellent infrastructure facilities with good laboratories. We have highly dedicated staff who motivate students academically as well as participating in other extracurricular activities. The department also has software development core committee club where students are guided to participate in hackathon events and other coding activities. We keep conducting project exhibition, we guide them in internship, and we also guide them for real projects and to carry out or to provide solution to the current situation. Thank you.
So as I already mentioned, SSL, it is actually sandwiched between the TCP and then application layer protocol. Okay, and this application like this protocol, it is independent and
I can represent this in the form of a matrix. A polynomial can be represented in the form of a matrix. So P of u can be written as u cube, u square, u and a 1. So where minus 1 is the coefficient of u cube and 3 is said to be the coefficient of u square, and then minus 3
The machine code is like this. See, the move operation with the register. The content of T1 is content of minus D will be stored into one more register. I'm load C and load D. I'm add with the operation add as instruction.
So from ready queue, I'll take P1 process to my CPU or running state. So I'll write P1 here. So I'll remove P1 from ready queue. So arrival time is 0 for that. What is the bus time for?
So here this is the summation of supply, that is 34, and this is the summation of demand, that is 30. So this is the unit transportation cost. So summation of AA is 34 and summation of BJ is 30.
Here this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I should not say it as 10, it is A because hexadecimal digits what we are displaying, A, B, C. The port pins, they can be either made as input port pins or as output port pins. Now when I make a port pin as output port pin, what does it mean? Now it means you are sending the data from the controller to an external device. Whenever you make, say I want to send the data.
Further, for what purpose they will use this?
Ma'am, once this data is recorded and once it is visualized, so it is easier to present it to the higher authority. Suppose the division head, when I'm presenting the data to him, I should show how the flight patterns have been for the last 1 hour of the flight, and if there have not been actual irregularities in the sensor.
Welcome to COVID app. Together we can fight. So when the user will open this app, two options will present in front of him: login as citizen or login as police. So now first check the login as citizen section. Now it will ask for login credential, but if the user hasn't been registered to this app, can go to the registration form and can register himself. For now I am using a dummy user. So 1 2 3 now. This will open my account in this app. So this is my account in this app. So now 3 options will present in front of him. I have symptoms, chat with medical representatives, and report for hidden patients and unwanted gatherings. So now let us check the I have symptoms section. So now when a user will feel that he is showing some of the symptoms of the coronavirus, he can just go to and check the nearby hospitals around him. So now this will show the nearby hospitals around his area. Now he can go to the form and fill this form quickly. So now we will fill this form quickly. Let us give some dummy hospital name. Let the age be this. Now some dummy phone number. Foreign travel history, no. Any respiratory illness, no. And contact, physical contact, no. So now I will submit at consult. So now my details has been submitted to the nearby hospital and quick action will be taken as soon as possible. Now I will go back to my account. Now I have option of chat with medical representatives. Here I can chat with a medical representative with some common doubts that occur in our lives daily, like this user has chatted with Dr. UK Verma, and when the doctor will log in, he can just reply to